Hello everyone, my name is Kash, and today I'm going to show you how to make unstoppable bubbles. First, you'll need all of these materials listed here on screen. That includes a funnel, 1 cup of water, an emptied out bubble wand, which is optional, dish soap, any kind works, a container to pour the soap, corn syrup, and water in, light corn syrup, and make sure you do get light corn syrup because it does matter. Not dark corn syrup, but also glycerin works as a good substitute if you don't have light corn syrup. And finally, a spoon or anything at all to mix it together with. So first, you're going to take the cup of water and you're going to pour it into the container, like so. Next, you want to take your dish soap and pour it into a measuring cup. I already did this beforehand. And make sure it measures out to be 1 cup, and then add it to your container of water. It's okay if not all of the soap gets in, but make sure the majority of it does get in. So when you do have it, you should start to see little bubbles forming with the water. I'm not sure if you could see it here, but that shows that your water is mixing with the soap. After you add the soap to the water, just mix it together a little bit and make sure you mix slowly so not to aggravate the soap with the water so that it doesn't bubble. Next, what you're going to want to do is you take your measuring cup and your corn syrup and pour about a 1/2 cup into the measuring cup. So I'll do that now. I'm going to make sure this is the right way. Okay, so that's a 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and now add it to your solution. It might take a little bit because corn syrup is a sticky liquid and it's naturally thick, so that's actually what helps form the bubbles and make them last longer. Okay, so once you have your corn syrup poured into your mixture, just mix it very slowly, and you'll see the corn syrup at the bottom of the container, and you should be able to mix it together pretty well. Just make sure again to mix slowly, so not to make the solution bubble. And you might be able to see at the bottom that there is corn syrup forming. And you could see how sticky this is. Okay, so after you're done mixing together the corn syrup, the water, and the soap, what you next want to do is take your empty bubble wand container, or you can just keep it in the container, doesn't matter. And you're going to want to take the funnel and pour it into the bubble wand container. But I'm going to do that off camera just in case I spill it. And this is going to be a little bit messy, so I do recommend doing this outside. Okay, so now that everything is poured in, there will be a little bit extra, but that's okay. You can use that again for refills. And you'll be left with your solution. And now let's go test it out. As you can see, the bubble doesn't pop. As you can see, the bubbles stay on the surface, which is pretty cool. Try it out.